there, my name is Erika, and today I'm participating in the Little Bit Scary Hop. Today's video will be merged with my Scrappy September prompt of long title because for some reason I could never get that video to process properly on YouTube, unfortunately. So for today's video, I'm using supplies from a company that's new to me called Syncopation Design. I started off by setting down some splatters, a lot of splatters, using the Carrie Bradford stamps as well as some distress oxides. I had initially seen this leaf pattern paper from Syncopation Design and just already knew that I had to fussy blade these little leaves out. And if you're unfamiliar with my channel, I love using my craft knife to fussy cut little doodads out. It's just more comfortable for me and it's my personal preference. Now for the bottom 2 layers of leaves, I did 3 layers total. I used presentation matte paper, but for the top layer I used photo paper, and I love the little pop of color that top layer lends to the page. Although it does give a little bit of a glossy glare, so I do apologize about that. Now for my long title, I'm basically just taking these Studio Calico stamps and stamping themes that I love about fall. Chunky sweaters, scarves, apple cider, bonfire s'mores, and pumpkin patches. This page is all about the day when we went with our friends to the pumpkin patch, invited them all back to the house, carved our pumpkins, and just had a blast. Now the center splatters inside the wreath seemed a little bit too pronounced to me, so I just took a little bit of vellum and fringe cut around that just to mute the colors just a tad. And I am mounting my photos with foam adhesive tape because I am obsessed with it and I want to stick with that dimension. Now from here I'm creating my embellishment clusters. Since I already had pretty symmetrical shapes of a circle and the square of the page, obviously, I wanted to create offset clusters to kind of switch it up and keep things dynamic. I will make a cluster at the top right corner as well as the bottom left hand corner, and that is where I will include just a tiny bit of journaling. I love adding just a little bit of background story because those are the small details that you tend to forget as time passes on. But that's pretty much it. I hope this video inspired you today. Check out everyone else participating in the links below, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye!